This is the answer. Question number 4. Multiply the given polynomials. Multiply the given polynomials. Multiply the given polynomials. Write down first 2x x square minus 2x plus 1. Now we have to take multiplication of these two polynomials. First write down first polynomial, that is 2x, into second polynomial, that is into x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to. Now take multiplication, multiply each term by 2x. Write down this as 2x into x square, 2x into x square plus 2x into minus 2x plus 2x into 1 plus 2x into 1, that is equal to. Now multiplication of these three, 2 x to the power 1 plus 2, that is x cube. Now we know formula, आपल्याला असा फॉर्म्युला माहित आहे, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. By using this formula, take addition. Here a are equal, that is x 1 plus 2 3. Now here plus into minus, multiplication of these two, minus 2 into minus 2 4, x into x square, that is 1 plus 1 2 plus 2x into 1, multiplication is 2x. This is the multiplication of these two polynomials. Second example, 2y plus 1 y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. y plus 1 y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. Now first write down in the form of multiplication 2y plus 1 in first bracket into second bracket y square minus 2y cube plus 3y equal to. Now here take multiplication, that is multiply first term, that is 2y into this all this bracket, that is 2y into y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. Write down second term with sign, that is plus 1 into bracket y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. Now take multiplication. Here 2y into y square, 2 into 1 is 2, y into y square, that is y cube. Now what is multiplication of these two? Plus into minus, minus 2 into 2 4, y into y cube is y to the power 4 plus 2 into 3 6, y Dividend is 8. 4 into 2, 8. 8 minus 8, 0. This 8 is called dividend. Equal to divisor कोणत्या संख्येनं भाग द्यायचा आहे? कितीनं भाग दिलाय? 4 न. That is dividend 8 is equal to 4 into. Question भागाकार किती आला? 2 plus remainder किती? 0. Equal आहे का पहा? 4 into 2, 8 plus 0, that is 8. Therefore, for this, first write down this in index form. X cube minus 64 in index form equal to. Now, what is the degree of this polynomial? Highest power of index is 3, therefore degree is 3. Therefore, this polynomial contains how many terms? One more term, that is 4 terms. 3 plus 1, that is 4 terms. Now we can write this as x cube plus square term is absent, therefore write down 0x square plus 0x minus 64. This is in index form. Now, first write down this in index form, that is x cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 64. We have to divide this by which term? X minus 4. Now, how we can divide this? Now here first term is x cube. Divide by first term x. 1x get cancelled, that is x square. Therefore, here quotient is x square. म्हणजे पहिल्या टर्मला पहिल्या टर्मला डिवाइड करायचं, आलेला भागाकार इथं लिहायचा म्हणजे x square. Now take its multiplication here. यांचं multiplication इथं लिहायचं. X square into x is x cube. X square into minus 4, that is minus 4x square. Now here take subtraction. This plus becomes minus. Minus becomes plus. Subtraction केल्यामुळे काय होईल? मायनस x cube मायनस होईल आणि मायनस 4x square ची व्हॅल्यू मायनस मायनस प्लस होईल. Plus x cube minus x cube get cancelled. Plus 4x square plus 0. 4 plus 0, 4x square. Take 0x here. एक term खाली घ्यायची. Now first term 4x square, त्याला divide कशाला करायचं? First term x न. 1x get cancelled. 4x. Therefore here 4x. Now take multiplication, 4x into x, 4x square, 4x into minus 4, minus 4 into 4, 16x. Take subtraction, minus 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 becomes plus. Minus 4x cube square plus 4x square get cancelled. 0 plus 16, 16x minus 64. Now here first term is 16x, divide by x. X get cancelled. Therefore 16 plus 16. Take multiplication, 16 into x, 16x minus 16 into 4, 64. Take subtraction, minus 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 becomes plus. This get cancelled, this also get cancelled. Remainder is 0. Therefore here this is the divisor, this is dividend, this is dividend, this is divisor, quotient and remainder. Write down this in this form, that is dividend. Dividend is therefore dividend x cube minus 64. Write down in short. x cube minus 64 is equal to dividend, or write down here formula. Now dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is x cube minus 64. Now what is divisor? X minus 4 into quotient is x square plus 4x plus 16 plus remainder is 0. This is the answer. Now take one more example. Now question number 2, 5x to the power 5 plus 4x to the power 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square plus 2. We have to divide this by x square minus x. Now first write down this in index form. 5x to the power 4x to the power 4 minus 3x cube plus, this is already on, plus 2x square plus 2 in index form is equal to. Now degree of this polynomial is 5, therefore it must contains how many terms? 6 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to take one more term, that is 5x to the power 5 plus 4x to the power 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square plus 0x plus 2. Write down this. Now 5x to the power 4 plus 4x to the power 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square plus 0x plus 2. Now divide this x square minus x. Divide by x square minus x. Now first divisor, first question, 5x to the power 5 divide by x square. 5 minus 2 is 3. Therefore 5x cube. Take multiplication, 5 into 1, that is 5, x to the power 2 into 3, x to the power 5, plus into minus, x cube into 4x, that is x to the power 4. Take subtraction, minus becomes plus. This get cancelled. Now 4 plus 1, that is 5x to the power 4 minus 3x cube. First term 5x to the power 4 divided by x square get cancelled, 5x square plus 5x square. 5x square into x square, 5x to the power 4 plus minus 5x to the power 3. Take subtraction, minus plus. Plus 5 minus 3, that is plus 2x cube. Take term of x square, 2x square. Now 2x cube divided by x square 1 get cancelled, that is 2x cube divided by x square, that is 2x. 2x into x square, that is 2x cube minus 2x square, minus plus. This get cancelled. 2 plus 2, 4x square plus 0x. Now 4x square divided by x square cancel, plus 4. Now 4 into x square, 4x square. 4 into minus x, that is minus 4x. This get cancelled, plus 4x plus 2. Now here degree is 2, here is 1. यापेक्षा कमी पर्यंत भाग द्यायचा. Now this is the remainder. Now we can write, therefore, now we can write this as given polynomial, that is 5x to the power 5 dividend plus 4x to the power 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square plus 2 is equal to, dividend is equal to divisor x square minus x into quotient 5x cube plus 5x square plus 2x plus 4 plus remainder is 4x plus 2. This is the answer. Thank you.